if Muslims are branding a certain community or a certain group as kafirs, then that is something which they are doing of their own accord. This is not the practice prescribed in the Quran, or you won't see this practice by the Prophet of Islam. Rather, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he was sent to the people of Makkah, or when he started his movement in Makkah, he addressed people as insan. He would say, Ya ayyuhal insan, O people, O mankind. He did not say, O kafirs or O kuffar. That was not the way of the Prophet, and it's important to understand that in Islam it is extremely essential to look at our own selves. So if I am a Muslim, I should be concerned about the state of my faith, the state of my relation with God, and the state of the duty which God has entrusted upon me with respect to others. So this is what I should be concerned about, rather than calling people as kafirs. So our concern should not be identifying who is kafir and who is Muslim. Our concern should be what we are. Where are we standing with respect to God? Where are we standing with respect to the duty which God has enjoined on us, which is to convey to people the spirituality of Islam? Where are we with respect to that? So this is the concern of Islam. This is the kind of mindset that Islam wants to build in its followers, to be able to, they should be able to reform themselves and not go about declaring others as sinners. That is clearly not an Islamic practice. That's a deviation from Islam.